Company-Oriented Reforms。我们来看一下这一道题。我们先给大家40秒的时间，你们可以把视频暂停一下 ，OK？ 把整篇文章呢先阅读一遍。好，我们来看一下第一部分。The climate for doing business improved in Egypt。这一块呢，我们要注意有几个单词。The climate 这个 t 呢比较弱，不要读成 the climate。OK？For doing business 这个单词注意，不是念 business， 念 business， 这个 i 是不发音的。Business improved， 不要读成 improved。OK？Improved in Egypt， 这个 t 呢非常的弱。Egypt more than in any other country last year。Last year， 我读的连读 t 后面的这个 year 放在一起 ，last year。好，第二部分 ，according to a global study that revealed that 这个 t 呢非常的弱 ，OK？Revealed ed 的形式 ，a wave of company-oriented 这个单词念 oriented，orient 加 ed，oriented 这个 d 呢有点偏这个 t 的音 ，reforms 重音在后面 ，reforms。Reforms across the Middle East，Middle East， 这个 t 一定要发得清楚，因为是整个句子的一个就是结束最后一个单词的最后一个音，对不对？好，我们来看前面，我们把这一块先读一下，从一开始到这里。The climate for doing business improved in Egypt more than in any other country last year, according to a global study that revealed， 我在这 that 前面有个明显的停顿，对不对？从句 according to a global study that revealed a wave of company-oriented reforms across the Middle East。好，看第二部分。The World Bank Ranking， The World Bank Ranking 这个 D 呢做出口型，我没有读成 The World Bank Rankings， 我没有这么读 ，OK？The World 非常的快 ，The World Bank Ranking 这个 K 也是非常的弱 ，The World Bank Rankings，The World Bank Rankings。Which look at business，look at 放在一起，注意这个单词还是不要读成了 business，OK？ 是 business， 这个 i 是不发音的。Which look at 连在一起 ，look at business regulations also showed that， 我没有读成 showed that，showed 这个 d 我有个略微的一个拖音 ，showed，OK？D 的口型一定要做到位 ，showed that，also showed that the pace 这个既然要在这个 that 后面要有一个如果有个 tiny pause 的话，这个 that 这个 t 呢要发得清楚。Also showed that the pace of business reforms in Eastern Europe was overtaking East Asia， 这个 t 非常的快。Also showed that the pace of business reforms in Eastern Europe was overtaking East Asia。不要读成 East Europe，OK？ 这个 p 只要做出口型是可以听清楚的。好，我们来把整个连在一起读一下。The World Bank rankings, which look at business regulations, also showed that the pace of business reforms in Eastern Europe was overtaking East Asia。好，我们连起来读一下 ，OK？ 语速可以稍微慢一点。The climate for doing business improved in Egypt more than in any other country last year, according to a global study that revealed a wave of company-oriented reforms across the Middle East. The World Bank rankings, which look at business regulations, also show that the pace of business reforms in Eastern Europe was overtaking East Asia. 好 ，That's it. Thank you, guys.